First of all, I would like to apologize for the lighting and the noise. This is the only time I can film, so this is really not the optimal time for me to be doing videos, but this is the only free moment that I have, so I'm taking it. The holidays have been very hectic and life is still super hectic for me. Big changes are afoot, so I really don't have the time right now, and I really want to unbox this. I've had this planner since December 12th, so that's been a few weeks, and I haven't unboxed it because I haven't really gotten a free second. So today I want to unbox this because I'm so excited to check it out. I feel like it's very different from the Starbucks planners of past years. So we'll see. I'll zoom you in and we'll get started. So this is the Starbucks planner. Here in the Philippines, they do this every year during the holidays. Usually it starts around November and ends in January. They give out these cards. I'll show you. This is my traveler's notebook wallet. Let me see. I have my Starbucks cards here. And this is the card. Actually, I have two cards. This is the card that lets you collect virtual stickers for the planner. If you collect 18 stickers, then you get to choose between a planner or a tumbler, I believe, or a mug. I'm not sure what the other option was. So, of course, I chose a planner. I think they've been doing this for more than 10 years now, if I remember correctly. I have each one from every year saved for last year because I really locked myself at home. I didn't want to go out because of the virus, and they had no other way to let you collect stickers. So I didn't get it last year, but this year they had this digital option that counted some deliveries also, and our numbers went down, so I was able to go to Starbucks a few times, so I was able to get the planner. Okay, without further ado, let's unbox this. When I saw this, I thought the clutch looked really nice. I think they call it an organizer. I really like this design. Kind of has a Japanese vibe to it. And I chose black. I think they have another version in white. Oh, okay. So the zip is a star. That's very nice. Okay, I'll get the tape after. Okay, so here's the inside. And here's the planner. This is a little smaller than I'm used to. I'll get my old Starbucks planner to show you. I didn't get last year's, like I mentioned, so I'm gonna see if I can find the previous year's planner. I keep saying last year's planner, but actually last year's planner was for this year, 2021, because we collect stickers the year before. So this one, I collected stickers in 2019 and this is the 2020 planner. So look, it's so small now. I really like this size. This is the inside of the old one. I've been using these planners, the Starbucks ones, for years as a work planner. I really like the layout because they have the daily boxes on one side and then notes on the other. So it's perfect for work for me because I take a lot of notes and I can write down my meetings and other things in my schedule here as well as deadlines. It's organized like that. Let's see how this is, but right now I can already tell that I'm not going to be able to use this as a work planner. It's so small and thin. Okay, let's open it. So I like the cover. It has the same design as the organizer clutch. Well, first let's look at the clutch. It also doesn't have pockets. Can you fit this in here? No, it doesn't fit. Okay, this is very weird. So I guess the planner is meant to just be stored this way, and then you have a couple of slim pockets here, I guess for bills, receipts, or anything, and then a bigger secretarial pocket here. Okay, that's really interesting. I think I can also compare that to another Starbucks notebook before. They also released a clutch a few years back. I think this may have been the 2019 one, and sorry if I'm getting the years wrong. So I dug out this one. This was a travel clutch that they released, so I use it as a travel clutch. It was quite useful to me because it had these pockets, kind of similar to this one, but it could hold my passport and also a tiny little book here, as well as my boarding passes and such. And it came with a tiny notebook. I don't know where that notebook is and why it isn't here. But yes, so I use that for travel. So back to this. Let's open it up. Okay, that's really pretty. I always love the art in Starbucks planners. So you get a calendar for 2022. Okay, this is nice. This is the monthly page. And then you get the weekly pages, I guess. Okay, so The weekly pages are just straight up day boxes. So you get Monday to Sunday, like that. And I guess when there are blank spaces in the month, so you get blank boxes. Yeah, so it's like that every page. And then after the weekly pages, you get this spread with a dotted grid, I guess, for notes. And then you go to the next month. It's a divider, and this is the monthly page again. So this is a little bit disappointing because there's really not much space for notes per week. I don't think these note pages after all the weeks at the end of every month will be enough for me. So this month has 3 dot grid pages. Okay. So I guess only January had 2 dot grids. The others have 3 dot grid pages per month. April, May, June. Okay, so the monthly spreads have notes. July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay. Let's see after December if they have a notes page. Nope. That's the end page. And this is the bookmark. It says Planet Coffee People. Cute. And that's it. Wow. Okay. Okay. Like I showed you earlier, I really love the Starbucks planners. I used them for years as my work planner. They're really solid. They had awesome paper. They actually came with stickers. Some of them didn't come with a clutch, but they came with stickers. And these were perfect. The pages were very roomy. And look, I really have a ton of notes. So even if I had bigger pages, I still needed more in the form of post-its. But yeah, I really like this layout where you get the day boxes and then you get the notes on the other side. Like a full note page per week. So now I don't think I can use this as a work planner. That's so sad. I was thinking I would go back to it this year, but that's not going to work. So I'm guessing I will probably use this for something else. I will just update you with my lineup decisions. I know it's already January, but I still don't have my full planner lineup. But definitely this is not going to be a work planner. We shall see what I use it for. Oh, that's so sad because the clutch looked like it would fit the old planner. See? I mean, just a little bit bigger and it would fit. Oh man. I really love the clutch though. So that was a little disappointing, Starbucks. I hope you guys do better next year. It serves me right for skipping a year. Last year. I'm not sure how the planner was last year, if it was like this already, but this is the first time that I saw the Starbucks planner become super small like this. Oh well. Okay, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and for bearing with me through the lighting and the noise. And I'll see you again next time. Bye!